Hi friends! If you just saw another video of me with Lucy on my chest, it's because I filmed twice in a row now, because if I'm going to put on makeup, I'm going to sit and film for as long as I can. And if this baby's asleep, I'm going to sit and film for as long as I can. If you haven't seen me or Lucy before, hi. I guess you're not really seeing Lucy because I don't want to show you her. But this is Lucy. I'm Lainey. Welcome to my channel. Lucy's my daughter. Okay, today we're going to be talking about 2023 trend predictions. So, I was telling Brandon how when I do trend predictions, I don't look online like Vogue or Who What Wear, those kind of fashion websites, and see what they said is trending, because I think the fashion world and real life are very different a lot of the times. And as much as the fashion world wants to say that we're all going to be wearing 800 pockets on our clothes, no, we're not. Sure, it's going to turn into something different by the time it gets to us, but I like to use my own brain and think of trends on my own. Okay, this is not me, whatever, I'm just gonna tell the story because I don't care how you take it. On TikTok, a while ago, before we were seeing a bunch of off the shoulder and boat neck, I was seeing it here and there, and I just had this feeling that it was really gonna take off. And by seeing it here and there, I mean, I think I saw 2 people wearing it. And I said it in a trend prediction video for fall. I said off the shoulder and big boat neck will be trending, slouchy, whatever. And there was somebody who was a fashion forecaster or went to fashion school, and they were like, where are you coming up with this? We have not talked about this at all, and we don't see this anywhere. And I said, I came up with it in my head. What do you mean? Where do you come up with anything? It's in your head. And they were like, no, we're not going to be seeing this. What do we see all the time now? Off the shoulder and wide neck, whatever. Do we see it on fashion runways and, big name brand, whatever, designers? Maybe not, but that's not what us normal people are wearing. Us normal people are cutting our own shirts and making them off the shoulder tops. That story just tells a little bit how I come up with my trends on this list. And also, if you guys want to see me react to the Vogue 2023 trend predictions or Who What Wear or any of those, online journal magazine, what are they called? Magazines, let me know. And I can do that as well, because these are not from that. So the first 2023 trend prediction are shorts in the wintertime. Shorts and knee-high boots. Does this seem crazy? Yes. But I've talked about them 1,004 times. If you guys don't have fleece-lined tights from Amazon, or maybe if somebody else makes them, you need to get them. They're warmer than going out in Lulu leggings or even jeans in the wintertime. They keep you so warm. So I will wear my fleece line tights, little plaid boxers and knee-high boots. So cute. You can also add thigh-high socks for even more warmth. I've been seeing the fleece line tights come in different skin tones, so that's amazing. As for shorts though, I really like, longer Bermuda shorts, and not the ones we saw in 2020 that are tighter Bermudas, almost, what's the word? Almost gaucho, large. Oh my God, I think it's so cute. With, heeled boots and dressing it up, and almost these dress pant shorts. So fun. I remember wearing those in 2nd grade. So it's so cute to me. Also, like I said, boxer plaid shorts, I like wearing and dressing them up. I like riding boots. I like heeled boots, whatever. I think it's a really fun look. So yeah, shorts in the wintertime. The next thing that I think is going to be a trend that was a fashion faux pas, whatever you want to call it, is mixing black and blue or brown and black. These really dark outfits. For some reason, I just have this feeling that we're going to be seeing more and more of them. I've never had an issue with brown and black, or with black and blue or brown and black. I've always thought they go together. I remember that being something my mom used to tell me when I was little, those don't go together. You look like a bruise. Sorry, Lisa. And I just want to say I will never ever tell Lucy she looks like a bruise, because I like them together. Whether it's wearing an all black outfit and having a brown leather bag and brown boots, or not together, just a brown leather bag, or just brown leather boots, or wearing navy blue, super dark navy blue jeans and a black crew neck, or black pants and a navy blue jacket. I think that the colors go together and it's a really fun look, especially if you have lighter hair or blonde hair. I think it looks really good, but that doesn't mean that I won't be wearing it with my really dark hair. The next thing I think will be trending, maybe this is just because I like them, but that's normally how I do it, is messenger bags. So I've said 1,010 times on this channel that I think bigger bags are coming back. And so one of you actually asked in the comments, you're like, what about messenger bags? And I was like, how'd you know I was going to talk about that? Yes, messenger bags. bags. I bought a Prada messenger bag off the RealReal for literally 200 bucks. If you guys are looking for a new purse or maybe even a designer purse, first of all, secondhand, always the way to go with designer purses, in my opinion, or designer anything. But a messenger bag, I think, is a really good option right now because, again, not everybody's hopped on this trend yet, so the prices are really low. Nobody wants them besides me and you guys. But the Prada messenger bag, I think it's adorable. It goes with everything. I like that it's a more casual option because I feel like we've been seeing so many like super fancy purses. I don't know why a shoulder bag feels like a fancy purse to me because it's just not practical. And now being a freaking mother, I need my arms and hands free. So a crossbody messenger bag is my dream right now. All the pockets. It kind of makes sense that that's what we're going to be seeing next because I feel like it kind of goes into this idea that we saw like combat boots and then we saw camo pants, cargo pants, and then messenger bags. And actually, because I think messenger bags, like, you know, the like army messenger bags, that was my like idea. I don't know if that was obvious. I did see that a bunch of fashion houses were saying that like actually like pockets everywhere is a trend we'll be seeing. And messenger bags normally have those two big pockets on the front. And I didn't even think about that. Next thing is something I talked about, lace. I've been seeing lace everywhere. I got a long sleeve lace shirt from Depop and then I also thrifted like a high neck lace shirt. I really like a high neck lace, turtleneck lace, or even like a boat neck lace top. I think they're so pretty. And lace in the wintertime, again, is something that I've talked about that I really, really like. I like mixing lace with different textures. So like lace and leather and lace, or lace and fur, like a fur jacket is really, really cute. Lace and denim, I'm obsessed with. White lace and color, or black lace, whatever. Colored lace, if you're into that. I'm more into only white or black, but I think a colored lace is also really, really pretty. And something that I don't have, but if I found, I'd want, are like lace tights. And because the fleece line tights come like just in a skin tone tight. And also if you already have fleece line tights, but they're not your skin tone, you can get pantyhose and put them over your fleece line tights, like pantyhose that are your color. That's a hack also. But then you would put lace tights over top, white or black. That'd be so cute. I think we've seen those, like that one brand that had them with like this little holes and bows. So cute. But I'm pretty sure those were like $100. Just like plain lace tights. I'd love. Okay, this one I know people have talked about, and maybe this kind of falls into the other category of shorts in the winter, but underwear is pants. Like the Bella Hadid, you know, picture that went viral of her with her platform Uggs and like literal boxers on. And this kind of goes into the idea too of like the hot shorts, like the super short shorts. I like underwear as pants because when I think of it, I think of like boxers as pants. We all know I've been wearing boxers as pants for a minute because I'm a firm believer in wearing pajamas as much as you can and styling them in super cool ways. Debatable. So I don't know if I'd necessarily go out in like whitey tighties, but I could see people starting to wear, you know, like the Skims boxers. Like I could see people wearing those out and about with like knee-high boots or something. Honestly, I think it's cute. I just don't think I'm confident enough to wear like hot shorts or like whitey tighty style boxers as pants. But you know, baggy plaid boxers as pants, 1000%. And yes, I do thrift my plaid boxers. And if you think that's gross, I think it is too, and I still do it. Okay, this is a quick video, but the last trend, and this one just came to me when I was closing my eyes at night because that's when I normally think of these things. Bangles. I don't know why I feel like we're gonna start seeing people wear like a bunch of bangles. I could see myself wearing a bunch of gold bangles, like all different sizes. I think like super thick ones and thin ones all together. I haven't been wearing jewelry though because I just don't want to like scratch Lucy when I pick her up and all that stuff. But if I was wearing jewelry, I feel like I'd be wearing bangles right now. And I also think like, you know how we were seeing those, what is it, acrylic? Those acrylic like La Manso clay kind of style rings. I feel like we could also start seeing those in a bangle form, and that would be so cute and colorful for the girlies that like a bit more pizzazz. So I feel like go on eBay or start thrifting bangles for sure. And even if they don't trend, even if all these things are never trendy or go viral or whatever, honestly, I'd like that. But also, I will be wearing them because they're all just things I like and that I like want to thrift or haven't found yet. And I've been thinking about them for a minute. And that's normally like also on this list. I won't just like think of it one day and never think of it again. These are things I've been thinking about for like a month or so and I still want. So yeah, Lainey approved list. if anyone cares. That's it for this video. I drank too much coffee today and I haven't had coffee in a minute because I'm breastfeeding and whatever, who cares? Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think is going to be trending in 2023 because I'm really curious actually. And if you think you'll be wearing anything from this list or you hate anything from this list, because I also love hearing your opinions on things I have opinions about because I think it's so fun that we can all have different opinions. That's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. I love you the absolute most. Well, not more than Lucy. And I'll see you in a few days.